welcome to our channel, and in this video I will tell you about the SecuX NFT hardware wallet. First, please notice our disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video, and before we start I do want to say that all the links you will need for SecuX and their new NFT hardware wallet will be down in the description, so definitely check that out at the end of this vid as well. Alright, so now let's get right into this video, and you heard me correctly, this video is going to be very exciting because what we'll cover in this video is the world's first NFT hardware wallet. A safe option to not only store your cryptos, but also store your beloved NFTs. And you can actually see them on the device. So we will check out the device now. I'll tell you what it is, why it's this good, because it's really good. It's very safe, it's easy to use, and it has a lot of features. I'll show you all of that in this video, and I'll also show you how you can get one for yourself, even with a 15% discount. So let's check it out. Alright, so if you actually want to check out the NFT included hardware wallet, which is called Nifty, it's the SecuX Nifty. You go to products right here at their website, SecuX Tech products, then you press SecuX Nifty and that will bring you to this page right here. So as I said, this is world's first NFT hardware wallet. So it's an offline storage for your own private key. You have a clear view signing of all the NFT transactions, and it offers multi-chain support of Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and way more chains. So as I said in the beginning as well, one of the biggest pros of having the SecuX Nifty is that it is very secure and safe. It has some of the best secure chips out there. It has clear view signing of all your NFTs, and it has a dynamic keypad. So what that means is that you don't have the numbers in the formation that you know from 1 to 9, but that switches up. Alright, so that people, when they steal it, they cannot just see from your fingerprints what your code is. And apart from that, you also get it in a box and it's sealed in a good way, so there's no tampering with it. The security for SecuX really is one of the most important things, as it should be with hardware wallets, and they're doing a phenomenal job at it. So as you can see right here as well, it's true ownership, on-device viewing and confirmation. And definitely the on-device viewing is, I think, is a very cool feature. As you can see on your own device, which is a very handy little hardware wallet, you can actually see your own NFT wallet, alright? So you transfer them to a secure place, a hardware wallet, cold storage, and you can still see them and show them to your friends. So it's also some more of NFT adoption, which you can do with it. And apart from that, which is amazing, that on the SecuX Nifty, you actually have easy access to NFT marketplaces and decentralized finance for buying and trading NFTs. So you can, for example, see your NFTs on OpenSea, Etherscan, and you can even check the rankings on rarity checkers. So as I said, you can also access all the popular marketplaces. So from your SecuX Nifty, you can still buy and sell NFTs, which is amazing. So you don't just put the NFTs somewhere and you forget about them. No, you can actually show them to your friends, show them to other people, and you can still sell them and buy new ones all on the same device. And as I said in the beginning as well, it's not only NFTs, you can also still, SecuX does a great job at that, you can also still transfer your cryptos in that. It's not only a wallet for NFTs, you can also store your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, everything you want on there as well, in addition to the NFT storage. So this all allows you that by having a SecuX Nifty, you can have your NFTs, easily show them to friends wherever you go, because it's a small, handy device which you can take with you wherever you go. You can show them to friends, but you can also sell and trade them on that same device, and you can store your crypto safely on the device as well. It almost sounds too good to be true, but I assure you, it's not. And then on top of that, even more great news, if you use the link right now down in the description, and I do want to remind you once more that all the links for SecuX and the SecuX Nifty, and also for the discount to purchase this with a 15% discount, will be down in the description. So definitely check that out. Alright, now this might all sound a little bit difficult, from like, how can I get my NFTs on this device? How can I get my crypto there? How can I safely transfer it from one device to another wallet? Or how can I buy and sell NFTs on that? And SecuX has an amazing YouTube channel for that, SecuX Technology Inc., as you can see, which has tutorials for everything you need to know, like how to manage your crypto, how to use WalletConnect to easily connect your wallet, how to receive and send crypto, but also how to connect your device, how to put NFTs on the device, all in all, everything you need to use the SecuX Nifty. So SecuX actually is already a very known player in the hardware wallet, and this new NFT hardware wallet is a cherry on top. And apart from it being an amazing product, as we've just all seen together, They have also recently won 3 awards at the EPDA and Golden Pin, just validating the progress they have made and what an amazing product it is. So as you can see, they were winner in media and home electronics, consumer electronics and cameras from the EPDA, as well as the Design Mark winner in product design, and they received an honorable mention in life science design. So don't only trust my word for it, also check all of these awards they've gotten and amazing reviews they've gotten over the last few years. Alright, so once more I want to remind you that all the links you will need for the SecuX Nifty and all of their wallets will be down in the description. But for now we have reached the end of this video. We talked about the SecuX Nifty, what it is, how to use it, and all of the amazing security but also practical features. So for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions that might have missed and subscribe to our channel.